guys, welcome to my channel, Saturday mornings. It's your girl Angel Raine, and today I am super excited because I just got my PlayStation 5 bundle in the mail and I am ecstatic. I will be doing an unboxing video for you guys so you can see everything that is in store for this PlayStation 5 bundle. Let's get to it. Ooh la la. And wireless controller. Ooh. And a video game. Oh, Spider-Man. Ooh, ooh. And $25 PlayStation Store gift card. Ooh. Ah. Okay. Here's the other controller. Ooh, nice. Lovely. Wow. Ooh, it works. Pretty cool. Alright, and there's that. And here she is. And we will slide these off. And open her. So I'll tell you guys now that this is definitely much larger than a PlayStation 4. 3, 2, 1. And it's definitely not white either. Like, here's some white paper and it's like a stone gray, which is cool. But I really did think that it was white, and it's definitely not. So anyway, it's fairly heavy. It's a lot heavier than I thought it would be. I did get the disc version because I'm super old school, and I'm scared that like Y2K, everything's gonna crash one day, and then I'll be without my game. So I like hard discs, and it looks pretty good, guys. Like, it's really sleek. It's huge. Way huger than I thought. But it's cool looking. And I'm assuming that it definitely has to stand up. And look at that cool PlayStation logo there. Ooh, nice. But definitely like it. The black area is really shiny and it looks all futuristic and cool. And I am really liking the design compared to my faithful PlayStation 4, which I'll be retiring today, and my 3 and my 2 and my 1. So anyway, that is the console itself, and it's pretty freaking cool looking, and it's heavy and sturdy, and it looks durable, and I'm really pleased with the design. All right, so next, I want to talk about the controller in comparison to a PlayStation 4 controller. It is, in my opinion, shaped more like an Xbox controller, but it's not as heavy or bulky to me. I do have smaller hands, so I don't like Xbox because the controller is so big in my hand. It's so bulky. But this it's super light, not cheap light, because that does matter, but super light and pretty freaking cool looking. Like, check this part out. Yeah. And then your PlayStation button is kind of 3D instead of that circle, and pretty much looks like everything else is similar to what the PlayStation 4 controller looks like. And I am pleased with this design as well. And of course, I'll really know when I start to play after I set everything up, but I wanted to unbox for you guys and show you what was going on. Now in my bundle, I did receive, as I showed you before, another controller and a pair of wireless headphones. Wireless gaming headphones. Ooh, pretty cool. Turtle Beach. And a gift card. Who would be mad at a gift card? Like, we love gift cards. There are people that are still searching for a PlayStation, and I wish you luck because it did take me this long from November to get my hands on this console. So good luck to you. Keep looking. Don't give up because I didn't. You will get one, and eventually we all can play. You guys can add me on PlayStation. I am the Venomous Virgo. And I think that this is definitely a step up for Sony. And I'm looking forward to playing this Spider-Man game and all my other games, because the good part about the PlayStation 5 is, unlike the other consoles before it, you actually can play your previous games on this edition, which makes that even more cool. I don't have to buy all new games. Thank you, Sony. That's about it, guys. I hope that you like my video. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next two. Bye. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Angel Raine. Welcome to my channel. Not Chandel. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Angel Raine.